Go from grimy to gleaming in one spray with E-ZOIL's solvent-based cleaner, ASPHALT Remover. ASPHALT Remover's ready-to-use, non-foaming formula instantly gets to work dissolving asphalt, blacktop sealers, and tar deposits on contact, making it perfect for cleaning equipment and tools on the job. Spray it, swipe it, and say goodbye to asphalt spills, splatters, and overspray. For cleaning old or stubborn buildup and deposits, let ASPHALT Remover sit for a few minutes, then scrape off any residue. Ditch downtime caused by ineffective cleaners and substitutes like diesel fuel, and get the job done in half the time with E-ZOIL's ASPHALT Remover. Visit ezoil.com to learn more or to find a retailer.